Presenting the Mara Clutch by the Bagmakers Academy in two different looks with the reversible flap. The first look is a daytime version with the black flap and using the chain strap. The second look is an evening version with the bold pink metallic flap and just using it as a clutch without the strap. Hi everyone, and welcome to my current episode of The Daily Grind. I've been very busy in the sewing room, and one of my recent makes has been the Mara Clutch by the Bagmaking Academy. This was a pattern created by Isabel Felix Cicero, and I was very fortunate to have taken a class with her a few weeks ago. And for this bag, I have two different looks because the beauty in this bag is that this flap right here is reversible. So here it's shown with the black flap with the pink handle, and you can easily take it off and flip this around and have it the pink side on the outside. And the magic of this is in the Chicago screws. So the Chicago screws are located right here on the back. You just easily unscrew them and then pop the flap off, pop it back on, and tighten the screws again. Super easy, takes about 2 minutes. All right, so let's look at the features of this bag. The handle right here is padded, and it's very easy to insert your hand. So if you do not want to use this strap, you can easily remove it and just hold the bag as a clutch close to your body. However, if you want to use this strap, it features a fabric right here. This is the vinyl or the leather, and you can just lay it right over your shoulder, and it's very comfortable with that portion right there. The top of the bag has force-fit grommets, and the back of the bag has a very large pocket right here that is easy to fit a cell phone. On the inside, when I open this up, there are two magnets here which allow the flap to stay shut very easily. And open it up, and on the inside you have a beautiful satin interfaced lining. Gives it a really luxurious upscale feel and look to it. And on the one pocket right here, this pocket is trimmed with the pink metallic, and the other pocket is a zipper pocket, very large size, fully lined, and the zipper itself has a zipper stay, so it prevents the dreaded wavy zipper. It looks very professional. When you close it up, again, it snaps together with those magnets on the side. Very easy. I'm going to make this again, and the next time I make it, I'm going to reduce the pattern size to 80%. This clutch is a little on the larger size for my taste. If you like large bags, this is going to be perfect, but I want something a little bit smaller, so 80% I think is going to be that magic size for me. And I'm also going to be using some of my beautiful leathers in my stash. All right, you guys, so hopefully you've been inspired to at least try a bag. Until then, until next time, happy sewing.